Hello everyone, I am Oluwapelumi Arowoshai. In this video, I'm going to show you the new feature I came across in Microsoft Excel called Focus Cell. As you can see on my screen, my active cell is G11, which is being highlighted from the column side and also the row side with a pink color thereabout. So this actually make work easier when you want to compare values from your row side or from your column side. So how do you activate this in Microsoft Excel? So you come under your view tab. So under your view tab, you can see focus cell. So it's currently active. So if it's currently on, so if I want to turn it off, I just click on it and then it's gone. So I can turn it on back. And then if I want, another interesting thing is if I want to change the color, if I don't want this kind of color, I can click this drop down and then say focus cell color, and then I can change it. The interesting part again is that it also works with tables. If I come to my second tab here, as you can see, I'm currently active here, and then it works with table. I hope you learned something new in this video. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel.